heart that's broken, make it over again. But I know a man who can. And I can't take a soul that's sin sick, wash it white, white as snow. But I know a man who can.
Some call him Savior, the Redeemer of all men.
I call him Jesus, for he's my dearest friend. If you think that no one loves you and your life is out of hand, I know a man who can. I can't walk upon the water, and I can't calm a raging sea. But I know a man who can, and I can't cause blinded eyes to be opened, or the lame to get up and walk again. Oh, but I know a man who can.
Some call him Savior, the Redeemer of all men.
I call him Jesus, for he's my closest and dearest friend. If you think that no one loves you and your life is out of hand, I know a man who can. Yes, I know a man.
I know a man who can.
If you liked today's video, please click like. It gives me the encouragement I need to make more. Also, don't forget to subscribe, that way you'll miss no future songs. And lastly, share sign language worship on Facebook. Find a friend to learn sign with. That way, you're both more likely to stick with it. See you later.